అదే మీకు కావాలంటే నోట్స్ కావాలంటే నేను అంటే చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీరు రాసుకోవాలనుకుంటే రాసుకోండి, లేదంటే మీకు నోట్స్ అడిగితే నేను ఇస్తాను. ఓకే, రెడీ? ఓకే, జస్ట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ అడ్వైజబిలిటీ హ్యాడ్ బెటర్. సో వెన్ టు use the had better for advisability, advice for future. Suppose you may use the have in previous sessions, like using must have and duration, repetition and present and past. And whereas had better is particularly advice for future. Let me write this particular had verb for how to use it. Had better. Had better. Subject. Subject. Had better. Had better. Then what will be the remaining part of the structure? Had better. Huh? Subject and had better plus what will be the remaining part of the structure? Comparison of what?
Another.
No. This is had better we are using for advice for future. Advice for future. Advice for future. This is only for advisability. Then you must give the verb word. What's that? Verb word. This is the structure for had better using advice for future. Let me write another way, which is negative form. Let us complete this one first and after that coming to the negative form. Okay? She had better. She had better dance. She had better dance. What? Had better dance. What? You just give the prediction or suggestion or advice for the future. Then she had better dance. What does it mean? Huh? She had better dance. Dance if she practices. Understood? Practices. Definitely, if she practices, then she definitely perform well. Understood? Then, suppose you may use in a negative form. If she doesn't practice, and what she will do? She not perform well. Okay? Then, and when to use the not? When to use? Where we are using not? She plus had better, better plus not plus verb word. Verb word. Then use this one. She had better. She had better. Had better not dance if she practices. Though she practiced and she not dance well. Okay? So you just use the advice for the future. One more sentence I will write for you. we had better check the schedule. Check the schedule. Check the schedule. So it is the advice for checking the schedule before start our work or else a plan. Another sentence, you had better, because use this particular sentence. You had better not attend. Right? It means that you had better absent. Understood? The not attend means absent. You just use it appropriate word. Another word, you had better go alone. Go alone is only don't take anyone except you. You just go alone. She had better prepare food. Right? She had better prepare food. Well. Prepare food well. She had better not prepare food well. Every day you are not getting same taste, because one day you may feel angry, another day you may in an enjoyable mood. So you may not get the food good every day. Simply you are using the not, and this is advice for future. She had better dance if she practice it. Or else you simply write she had better dance. She had better not dance. It means that maybe she is not good. Right? Okay. Lata Mangeshkar had better sing. Asha Bhosle and Lata Mangeshkar had better sing Hindi songs. Right? Lata Mangeshkar, Bala Murali Krishna and Asha Bhosle had better not sing Telugu songs. Right? M.S. Subbalakshmi had better sing mantras or else chant. Lata Mangeshkar and M.S. Subbalakshmi had better chant mantras, slokas. Okay? So had better we must use for advice for future. Coming to the another activity, we are using had better in not. Listen first. Had better not plus verb word. She had better not dance. We had better not check the schedule. We had better check the schedule. Before verb word we are using not to give a meaning. Even you are suggesting future, advice for future. Though we are using, if it is positive advice, you just use she had better not dance. That is positive. But using not means not do and do not act. Do not do that activity. We had better check the schedule. You had better not again. You had better go alone. She had better prepare food well. She had better not prepare food well. So it means that you are giving the advice for future both using verb word and not verb word. Do not. Just like dance. Do not dance. Like that we are giving the advice for future. Thank you. Thank you.